talk about carbon, so if we're talking about the position of carbon, we know that this is carbon. If we move left side, we have counted metals. If we go this side, we have non-metals. So what does it mean? You know, the question, a big question arises: carbon is metal and non-metal both. Yes, no, we cannot say that carbon is gets. Carbon has both charges, positive charge and the negative charge. This is negative charge. We can hide this line, and this is positive charge. This is called reduced carbon, while this is called oxidized carbon. Negative carbon, positive carbon. When it gains electron, it neutralizes itself with something like this. It is actually neutral, right? So reduced carbon gains electron, it gets oxidized. And we know that everything that gets oxidized is burning in nature, right? It burns. And everything that is oxidized has burning nature. This it has burning nature, right? Burning nature. It has burning nature. Burning. Everything gets oxidized has burning nature. If we talk about reduced carbon, it does not have a burning nature. That's why it is inflammable in nature. So we talk about negative carbon. So negative carbon is basically burning in has burning nature. So in organic chemistry, we mostly use negative carbon rather than positive carbon. Now, example, you must question arises how the negative carbon is a burn. If we talk about two things, right? If we count two things, let me just create here. I'm just writing here. If you see something like this carbon, which has a completely negative charge, and the other carbon, which has only a partial negative charge, which you consider in the category of organic chemistry. I would say that this comes in the category of organic chemistry just because this is partially negative. Though its example is inappropriate, but it's still important to clear your concepts, right? So let's just clear the board and just proceed further. I'm going to clear it. Here. If we talk about structure of methane, not structure of methane, I would say that it's only there for example. We know that C, H, and 4. It is more electronegative than hydrogen. It gets a minus 1, 2, 3, and 4, but it is partial. Partial. This sign indicates partial. It gets a partial positive. I'm not going to write it del plus S0 here, but this is partial. But when it combines with oxygen, right? It combines with oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide and water. It gives carbon dioxide and water. You can call it. This is water. Here you can see that it is oxidized carbon, it has burning nature because now oxygen is more electronegative. It gets the 4 charges, but the carbon gets positive charges. So this is the clear example that this is a organic compound. We know that in an organic compound we do not consider carbon like carbides, and we don't talk about anything that has a complete charge. If we talk about carbon and chlorine, carbon chloride, for example, carbon chloride, C into CCl2, right? This is carbon chloride. So it has negative charge, partial negative, partial positive, right? So this comes in the category of organic. But if we talk about AlC3, right? So AlC3, it has complete negative and positive charge. So it comes under the category of inorganic chemistry. So all the hydrogen carbon compounds, which are hydrocarbons except carbides, carbonates, bicarbonates, they all come in the category of inorganic chemistry.